Thanks Flex Seal for sponsoring this video and powering our science mission. Hi, I'm Mark from Team Dominator. One of the side effects of storm chasing during the summer months is that house maintenance projects that need a period of warm weather can get neglected. This upstairs deck needs its floor replaced and I need it to last a few more months. The marine ply and coating are failing, water's getting in through the cracks and the subfloor is getting soft. I'll be using Flex Seal liquid for this until I can replace the flooring. Flex Seal liquid is not recommended for underfoot applications, but in this case I won't be walking on top of it. I start by stirring the Flex Seal to make sure it's mixed completely. I'm not concerned about how the application looks because this is only a temporary fix. So I'm going to try a couple of different application techniques so I can learn about how the product responds. Coffee's waiting, so to speed up the process, I start to pour it on. Flex Seal liquid puddles quite nicely. Another way to apply this would be with a roller. Job done, not pretty, but no leaks until I can fix it. Thank you for listening. Flex on.